Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing this video or any of my videos and you've not subscribed to this channel, please do get to subscribe to the channel, okay? And turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post videos, you will see them, okay? So today I want to just walk you through three simple worship songs that we normally sing in our church services. Just simple ones, okay? um don't worry, even if you're a beginner, you just start learning the piano, which is the keyboard. You can as well use these progressions. It's very easy for beginners. This lecture is basically for beginners. The tutorial is for beginners, okay? So if you're a beginner, please do well to follow this channel. It will help you a lot, okay? So straight ahead, I will play on key F sharp, okay, because that's the key I use most times, okay. So if you are not too conversant with key F sharp and you really want to know, I have made videos on how to play key F sharp, their full chords and the keys, okay. The do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, okay, and their full chords as well. Okay, so you can go back and watch my videos and you will see how simple it is, okay. So the three songs I'm working with today is We Bless You Lord, for you are holy, and forever you are God. Then You Are My God, you are my God, you know now. You are the eyes that I used to see. Then the third one will come along, okay? But the chord progression is very simple, mostly for beginners. I just want to show you the progression, okay? So that you can be practicing it, all right? So for the first one, we bless you, Lord, for you are holy. The chord progression is just 1, 4, 5, and 1, okay? In case you're not okay with the 1, 4, 5, 1, okay, let me break it down for you. I'm using the counting method, okay. The counting method is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to 1, okay. The 1, which is do, 1, re, 2, mi, 3, fa, 4, sol, 5, la, 6, ti, 7, then back to do, which is 1, okay. So that is just the mathematics behind this counting method. So anytime you hear 1, just take your mind to the first one, which is do. If you see 2, it means the next one after do, which is do, re, okay. 3 is the third one, which is do, re, mi. 4, which is the fourth one, do, re, mi, fa. If you say 5, it means the fifth one, which is sol, do, re, mi, fa, sol, okay. So that's just the counting method. So I will use the counting method as long as the normal do, re, mi as well, okay. So the first one is we bless you, Lord, for you are holy, which is 1, 4, 5, and 1, okay, which is do, fa, sol, back to do, okay. So let me sing and play so that you see how it is, okay. We bless you, Lord, for you are holy, and forever you are God. We bless you, Lord, for you are holy, and forever you are God. We bless you, Lord, which is 1, 2, for you are holy, fa, which is 4, and forever, which is sol, the fifth one, which is 5, you are God, back to 1. We bless you, Lord, 1, for you are holy, fa, and forever you are God, okay. We bless you, Lord, for you are holy, and and forever you are God. We bless you, Lord, for you are holy, and forever you are God. Hallelujah. And forever you are God. Hallelujah. And forever you are God. So this is the first one. So it's that simple. 1, 4, 5, then back to 1. Okay. So that's that for the first. Then the second one. You are my God, you are my God, you are my God. You are the eyes that I used to see. You are the key that opens the door. You are the owner of my soul. Never stop running, but never control. What shall I render to you, oh Lord? I will bow down and worship you. You are my God. It's very, very simple. Don't think it's hard. It's very, very simple. Okay. So the first one is 1. Normally, most songs will start with 1, which is 2. Okay. So you are my God. You are my God. You are my God. So you are the eyes, La, which is 6, that I used to see. Back to 1. You are the key that opens the door. So you are the owner of my soul. Let me show you. It's simple. You are the owner of my soul. You are the owner, which is 1, 5, 6. You are the 1, 5, 6. You are the 1, 5, 6. You are the owner of my soul. So you are the 1, 5, 6. Then back to 4. And when you want to start it again, you are the owner of my soul. The bush not born, which is 4. I never could do. What shall I render to you, Lord? I will bow down and worship you. You are my God. So the progression is just 1, 4, 5, and back to 1. And then that other part is just 1, 5, 6. Then you want to start it again. 4, 5, then 1. Okay, so that is that. So the third one is my daddy, my daddy. Okay, your baby is singing. I will be singing and shouting and jumping for the rest of eternity. Okay. So my daddy, your baby is singing. I will be singing and dancing and shouting for the rest of eternity. My daddy, 4. Your baby is singing, still 4. I will be singing 1 and dancing and shouting for the rest of eternity. For the rest of eternity. That's when you're going to soar. Okay. So the first one is my daddy, which is 4. Your baby is singing, 4 again. I will be singing. You now go to 1. Okay. I will be singing and dancing and shouting for the rest of eternity. singing and dancing and shouting for the rest of eternity. Okay, so it's that simple. It's just my daddy, get to four. Yeah, baby is singing, still four. Hi, baby, one. Still one. For the rest of eternity, that's when you come to five, which is so. Okay, so that is that. So those are the full songs, the three songs, simple three songs that we normally sing in church services. Okay, see, but if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel so that when next I post videos like this, you're able to see them again. Thank you and God bless.